will be a 10.
All right, you're sure I haven't been in the sun too long?
Relax, Woody. It's called a base tan.
It's just that I can't really feel my skin anymore.
Fine, I'll put some sunscreen on you.
Malloy, I can't move my arms or legs. What the hell, Malloy?
Look at the size of that fish! That so bitch is huge!
Fish fry, my place, 7 o'clock, bring a side. We are gonna need a shitload of tartar sauce.